Welcome back. Now, as the project administrator, we have the opportunity to work with individuals in the way we want them to be part of our team. And so we can go to this tab that says Everyone, and then we can go to the other individuals on the team and click inside of their link. We can then do this link that talks about superpowers and access to projects. What we can do from this screen are several things. We can give this individual the opportunity to create projects on their own. That means that they'll be able to create toward our limit, whatever it is. We can give them the ability to be the admin, so they'll be able to do just about everything that we do. We can also give them the ability to be part of our billing, so we can allow them to control the billing if we have a certain individual that's going to handle that in our team. We can also control their access from this screen to other projects. So for example, we could choose to give this individual access to other projects. That'll give them access as a participant. We can give this individual access to our calendars. We can click the All, or we can choose individually from this button. We'll be asked here if we choose to use All, we'll click OK, and then the individual is then given access to all of our items within the calendar view. Now, of course, if needed, we can remove this individual entirely from Basecamp. They will not be able to log in, or their login will no longer work appropriately. So every individual that becomes part of this team, we have access as the administrator to control their access. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.